Hello, beautiful, joyful kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. This is Joyce Bunde Talk Show. Wishing you a blissful day to all the joyful kings and queens in the building. My beautiful people, if you are new to my channel, first thing first, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscription button and the notification button so whatever Joyce is on board, you will be notified. My people, as you all have seen the topic, I told you people that for my channel, this joyful kingdom, we're going to be talking about some the societal things. We're going to be analyzing things happening in +37 media space. So my people, as soon as I don't see the title, make we write on. Ha! Today we'll get our auntie in the building. Pepe de Den Haag. You are invited in this building. Because I don't talk so go to analyze. Auntie. Pepe, you don't come for media, you don't come talk say, may mommy Bree come outside. Bet. I don't tell you, say mommy Bree will not come outside. Because mommy Bree no get problem with you. Una talk say, una don't talk say mommy Bree don't spoil in a clean community. Pepe, grandson. Mommy Bree don't can clean community. Yes, I talk am. Mommy Bree na marriage counselor. Mommy Bree na event planner. Mommy Bree na producer. Mommy Bree na entrepreneur. Mommy Bree, he don't produce book. Mommy Bree, he been known all over the world. He been known all over social media. He been known all over Cameroon. He been known, even Nigerians, they know Mommy Bree. Ghanaians, they outside, he been known. You can't stand for public, say Mommy Bree, no, they can. In the clean Cameroon community, he can't do it. And so you can't stand talk. As I don't tell una say it's all about positivity. Now I try to name some of the things the way Mommy Bree don't do them. They talk about our society today, more try for be inspired. When people they talk no. If you want follow person, may look person if he inspire you. Person if you should talk say look up to. You look around, say no, this person don't do so. Auntie Pay, you not try at all. Now when I come today for you, Pepe de Den Haag, you be invited for this house. This our house, we call and say the joyful kings and kingdom. Because for this our palace, with the judge case. We analyzing as well the judge case, we analyze your words. We analyze your thing the way you don't talk them. We point, we criticize the way you know they're right. We talk say you don't do so. Now I work with this for this our channel. My sister, Mommy Bree na counselor. He don't do so many for society. You come for can't talk. You go bring those people the way for 19 where Sheila. We don't use them. You see, go to bring them. When that's the same people, now the same thing when Mommy bring on the try for struggle, say, make the society be better. You see, go bring those people. You want to talk about them. Even now, because of someone be so evil. When I talk say evil, not only you. I don't know whether I be evil, but any person way, you know, want to see peace. When like for sinner say, men are war the be or fight the be, and they talk say that person be evil because now evil, not only evil people they do that kind of thing. Mommy be not be perfect, but you talk say you been a positive blogger. You want the blog that good things them. My sister. Now, which positive the way you the blogger? Oh, no. Eh? Would they really struggle someone get peace? But when I don't decide to no make peace not be. You see something? Mommy Bree no go come. Mommy Bree no go come for say, he want to talk for now. Now we so will continue for the talk for now because of say. Now we the small people don't decide say no one can now for can try. As well either don't try. Some of them don't fail because when I say some of them don't fail because some of them now when I don't come, when I don't decide say no one they bring that thing for pass. You don't go bring that mommy them. Can they talk about them? Wait till that mommy do you Pepe de Den Haag. And advice I can give you, and they can criticize the things the way you do because of therefore if not for criticism be allowed for any society. And you defeat criticize person may not insult person. And whatever channel I analyze as I don't always tell you now. Mommy Bree don't do so many things them. You used to say who can you call Shido, you talk say Mommy Bree don't use Sheila for shine. Who be Sheila? Who be Sheila? Who know Sheila? What is Sheila don't do for society? Apart of causing people pains and sorrow. Which contribution Sheila don't contribute for any person if he talks no? At least Sheila not impact life. Just tell me one thing. Not be Sheila they go bring the people that even people who don't ever know them, if they bring their story, can't condemn them. Now what got Sheila they do one? You can't go take the same women where Sheila not talk about it for 1 year ago. You bring her for your channel. You bring her kind of talk, say this and that, say you get out for this thing, you there for peace. Mommy Bree use Sheila shine how? Now Sheila use Mommy Bree for make name. Because Sheila block Mommy Bree for more than 1 year. Yeah, no. He block it for more than 1 year. Mama Atalaku the way use and block, he use Kobos. Even Kobo fi get farm, but Kobo no fi Kobos Mama Atalaku. They not be known like the way Mommy Bree. When Kobos where Sheila use it block, condemn this woman, cockroach this woman all kind way. Before Mommy Bree want come up, you see that Mommy Bree started fight. Before Mommy Bree want come up, talk say no, this thing must stop. You say come on as a grandson, we go for respect yourself. You come up come for social media, bring that same mommy, then you talk. I bet don't wanna own you. So need new vibes. You know let end for day. You come out, use yourself in your mouth. You talk how way. So na every in the Kavoka Clean Society. So now we want join. Maybe you organize a group way now for clean society for make a society a better place. Who son everywhere can join group? Not that they say son everywhere we can write to a war some time ago. Now case this for 2 years ago. You don't even know how it start. He can't talk say why mommy bring no attend Noraba party. Noraba can comment for under say no mommy be quiet and mommy be calling. Explain for you how you no be there. The same woman where be go mommy be that aja. He go for there where he gonna say he gonna represent. Then two. You see, you can't cause problem for this thing. So now I don't want to talk about you today. Just time for day. We'll talk about your own matter. We'll analyze you later. Today now for grandson Pepe the Den Haag. Since when I don't decide so na grandson I don't decide so no. May we petit said no more no chop to una for respect. Una no wear white una want to see more use your hand to paint the white. You come for social media. See you come for social media how way. Maybe say be one fame. So now ever be contact, you be the first person who can ever contact him, but you know be one time. When I listen for treat this blogger this thing that I voice record, I just smile. You want peace. You know end for that. You see come for social media, you can't tell how people the women don't fail. Now you defeat all that women them. Now you take care for them, now you pay their bills. You can't toss it on fair. How are you? You push, you do market, you do this thing. Which normal human being for a normal sense or can stand for public to say at the same market, I don't push. That if it implicates you, seriously. If it implicates you grandson, you not try. You know let end for that, you can't run down your own grandson for media saying that it be an investment. More try for the respect what I said because we already count on now. But I don't make a maybe let's say this social media now so no. Any person you can stand talk. Mommy bring on my level. 11 for up. If you last small fun, you and they compare. And they insult. But when they talk when grandson don't want to do something no, sometimes no, you feel talk for the person, he go should not for a bet. It and say no, this person talk not true. Now whether I come out to this, I want to talk with you. Maybe you discuss. He said, don't be Europe. May you even insult the other small girl, the other time say, may go marry. Man say, marry no be achievement, I beg. People that they want get a career, they want be independent. They want be where women where when they marry the husband will talk say, no, I married this woman. It's a blessing to me, not a curse. Marry no be achievement. Now how many years were you married? Who no want to make a mess of who would feel so our own life don't end. Now how many years were you married? 40 something, that's more get to go. Probably age you go marry for your own time. Marriage is a beautiful thing, don't get me all wrong. But not go to for social media, you tell people somebody they go married. Now you be first person for marry for OH. You know be the first person for marry for OH. And you know you go be the last. Then I stand and talk about people, small girls where they see grow up. Small girls where they are number 2 for your back. You can't rub your skin with them. How you think they don't respect you? You say don't marry, I must be rich. What did you do for social media, grandson? No, for December where you come up for marriage, where you supposed now for she don't do your honeymoon. Now for me, the one can do your own honeymoon. You say, I must get money. If you marry wetty, he get money, and it work either for Amber Land. Grand say, If people they not people they say no go school, now all man go school, and they caution anybody. But adult school they do for Europe, where man enroll yourself. You say, be married counselor. Before you want to be a married counselor, you will more go school for Europe, no Europe no. Well, then Europe, not enough for +37 where some people they will talk say they don't know the happenings in Europe. You get for go school, go be a counselor. You know if you qualify for be a counselor. Mommy be go school. She's a learned woman. If she wrote a book, you know her. She's a learned person. If you want to be like you, for the do so things where people don't talk about you, do go and wear yourself. Do something where you can't stand to say, no, I am proud, I did this, I went to this school. She went to a pastoral school, even that, I just said they can't pray for this, they do different things. She went to pastoral school. Now, what if you say, if you pray, now all my visa for pray. No, not even all my fish, don't say if you lose a loot society. Who come and they tell me the person for this social media where they don't use in name rain. She that use mommy bring name before you get other population where get and so. He block it for straight 1 year. Even though talk about Kobos and Mama Atalakube, he not talk like we talk about Mommy Brie. He talk about it, he hang for Mommy Brie back. He run it down. When Mommy Brie want come now for say one can he vaccine una. Una start the talk say no. You know, because una want to say when he talk say may just keep quiet. May just shut down. Because he had not stone. Had no not stone, yeah, auntie. No not stone. Yeah, Mommy Brie, again, wait till the coins may come outside or can't talk. Mommy Brie pass you. You know, come outside or can't talk. Now with the new bloggers, oh, don't come. If you're not allowed to talk, say they don't recruit us. They don't recruit us. We'll be picking them up, be inspired. We'll see what way people they do. One do like them. So when you don't go for social media, you must look. You look at good things, you pick them. You throw away the bad one. That's how human being in life day. You know what they talk say because say people they not condemn this person. You don't want to say anything good. I bet try for learn. Go back for husband to do your honeymoon. Or you go concentrate on your husband where you married them. Wahala for people they not married. People they buy husband everywhere. Man, I'm gonna tell you something, auntie. I did talking for you now advice. No woman not for this Europe. Why they don't reach now past married age. Marriage age. He go for pay. He go muta some boy in there and the boy they tell the boy go to next no married. All boys one can Europe. You know that thing no. All man you find out how you go better for you. No, you there for Europe. So you said you do business, you do so. Yeah, man, there for they say when you can't even start social media, you proud say when you die, you go take money for government. Abba, you the pray make the man die, but you say you want to do positive things. You the pray make it die, auntie. Why when I want make a move, we small picking no can stand there, they look and say, they grandson and son so they do them. We don't want picking them more. Some of us don't want picking the way. We need many communities to be clean. Me picking no kaka say we fair. I don't want to talk say tomorrow. Me picking tell me say, mommy, you fair as a mother. I want to try my own part. Now, whether I join my mom, the people they fight all the negativity, they're more clean for our society. Auntie. You don't marry, so what God do your honeymoon? You know, you do it social media. You say, mommy, breed on all. Mommy, breed don't accept. You don't leave media. What do you do for media? You go join Sunday everywhere. Sunday everywhere don't decide say one being a woman rapper. You want me inside women there. Maybe they start mixing like pap. So now I don't say I'll come for you. So just wait for today. Just try to be patient with me. I'll come analyze your own case later. So now every now the man behind the mask. No, that they say so now every send document for Mommy Brie. Or notice I don't know that story. Is one try for blank Mommy Brie for me give money. Mommy Brie deny. He send a very document for Sheila. Make sure I go start using against Mommy Brie the talk nonsense. You say so now every a better person. You need to try for do it. Who don't know? Tell yourself the truth, grand say. You run down people, then you go bring people that mommy, they talk about them. They shout say you get money. Which kind of money? If you get money, no, those social media or my sister, because this social media, so all man they try for say, maybe try for if you know there, if you be say no be business person, people they come on social media, so when they come for somebody they can't impact, so when they come because they can't do it for fun, so when they can't have money, but most people they can't for that money part. Now money you define, and fame you define, but you go the wrong way, sister. You go the wrong way, grand say. I did really try for say no. Maybe me I talk for you. Now advice where grand says small pikin we can't say give advice. Advice not mean I say now only big person will talk with small pikin. Sometimes the way small pikin they get that man. If you reason more than big person, it talk for you. Mommy B will not come out. Mommy B will never banter wet with you. Say get money. You don't go marry a policeman for Cameroon. You can't rob You can't show yourself. If you marry polygamous, come you can't rub yourself with all social media. What are you doing in Europe? You marry policeman when get money, you be supposed to build your husband. Would you pray every day so negativity stop when I green? 1 minute. I'm back. Auntie Pay, you talk say mommy Brie don't follow you some friends. Who's that friend? They bring him more analyze see where we can talk things them. Grand say, I beg. We say, now we really decide on no one piece, you and send every. Now, no one be the top of the tag. Now, what we'll talk about tonight, we'll go talk about tonight. Any woman where you can't run it down for this public, I go stand for that guy, for that woman. I go can't analyze what you talk. We can analyze what you talk. Mommy, we don't fight a good fight. The BI don't fight a good fight for say they struggle. Make peace be for our community. But when I don't decide that now no one start on our own war. Which country on our start say what did they find? Every day, one this news, this person do so, this person do so. Una don't cause this one go this side. You do one go division go cause go this side. You cause go this side. You want cause go this side. Una may bring different things. Una feel make away. Make someone who can stand so blog and say no, this person. Let's see to where Mama Tala could do. It do give away. It do give away. It do give away for people. Then they help people their life. Any bring problems. Any person get problem. Una feel help. Una help. Now that kind of thing they refine them. When person should not say no. At least the person is trying. The person is trying to promote peace. The person is trying to empower the youth. Wait till you don't do them. Wait till you don't do them, sis. I bet tell me, maybe I don't know. If you say I don't talk until you know, well, you don't do them, I don't know. I bet contact me, tell me, say na so. Maybe I can't talk about you, say no, grandson Pepe this so. You don't do so, don't empower you, you don't do this thing, you don't do so more be happy. See Kobo, so they don't run it down for 1 year ago. And Sheila don't run down Kobo, say, nothing married, he fat, he do this, he do that. Now Kobo that. She's happily married. Anyhow, and Sheila wants see him. Kobo be happily married. And she's enjoying her marriage. She never for once answered Sheila. Sheila was frustrated. Sheila, it go start from mommy. It starts from mommy Brie. Now mommy Brie make Sheila so blow. Where people they go for Sheila for a channel. And then they go for a channel and say they like Sheila. Now because a black man like gossip. They like the way they talk about other people, they run that other people there. So they didn't want her. And then most of that people, they now people are a bit depressed. So the one they use that culture, they coach other people, they console themselves. You too, as a grandson, where you don't know things. You don't live for long. You don't live for the ground for long. Where you get for can't stop peace. You can't stop war. You say no. You want to start block your own blogging way. You start talking the way people don't hear for a long time. We don't tire. We don't tire. Now what is that? So we don't talk. Say we must embrace peace in our community. Peace must reign. It must be for our community. He said, "Me, mommy, Brie, I address one for mommy. Mommy Brie will never answer you. She's up there. You are down there. Her level is too big. She's too intelligent for all those nonsense. You don't vax. You don't do a good job. It is time for her to retire. For us to continue where she stopped. We not come for can coach. I don't insult people because I knew I am human. I cannot create human. I analyze your what and analyze your video and I come out for it. I bring it out for the audience to see. They get right for criticize. They get right for give their own idea. They get right for talk anything they want to talk. Grant say you no try. I don't want to go deep before about your life, but you no try. You know the behave like Grant say. You can't toss it, the push. Who know what kind of nonsense that? You call your sister saying na investment. You put your own husband, your own life in danger. He said, guy, mommy Brie, he don't follow some person. Yeah, your husband for Cameroon. How far you know say he follow? No be shocked in 3 years time. I know he bluish you back. But no be shocked say 1 year say don't want 2 picking for Cameroon where he did. You do that audio married? Go for my channel, you see audio married what I talk about. Now audio married, you do for Euro, your master do Cameroon. When I do this thing for phone. Now that for the your age, I believe say grandson for the age we don't big so. You know supposed marry now can't marry there because you need your husband besides you. Yes, you need your husband besides you. No, that way, grandson don't be for you, so they don't do all kinds of you. They go put us on small boy, you just take it. The man carry go for altar because he no say he want get name, say he gonna get woman for you, he go the work sending money. Now they do audio marriage for this age way day, for this your age. You are doing audio marriage. Audio marriage, now that marriage that way day for Europe, your master day for Africa. Una they talk na for phone. You don't una they do that thing for phone. Luckily, they say that one for phone in a pregnant people because people they don't do audio marriage for a long time. They don't ever get nothing no come for it. People don't do audio marriage, so they divorce for audio marriage. You say don't marry if you know be beautiful girl, grandson back. And they insult you better. All those things they talk, I be very childish for grandson like you. They pay the Den Haag now for you are the talk. For grandson like you, all those things they talk and say be very childish. You never encourage your youth. You never empower the youth for no way. I never hear anything about you. Wow, talk say now all the negative things them. Wow, talk say no, I feel copy from you. Marry a good thing, but not that kind of way. Me I know marry me man. Then I go marry my husband. No, now husband go marry me. That's why I know that. That's what God make a may be. No, now because I don't come for you. Where anyone it say don't when he works more money, you go pay. Pam, go to small boy. This and that. I want the small boy say okay, since you are there for you, I don't get nothing for do or I did probably I do something when I marry the person, my life will be better. You click for that person. Grand say, Mommy Brie no get problem with you, and we so with the talk no get problem with you. We the only advice, we the only analyze. So ne Eric, I don't understand how a man people go be inside mean for you for girls them. How you go be inside mean for women them? Even Sheila want be bad, so now I will contribute because I need to push them for back. Do so. Now you want to go join that team. For kind of run down people. Grandson like you. No understand at 22 years where they will also no they make mistake because they see they young. I say grandson no one time I beg. Now advice, they say when grandson sometimes your grandson the fuck up no. You feel tell ye. Say grandson no, then they do so. Would they look up to now? Yeah, person he do audio marriage. Just that man no get probably no one get so. You know I guess so woman we don't be with time. How una the see cases, how it happen. Now so now because of that on marriage so now make so people they go die for that before their time just because the one married the one be belong. Why not be not married since where they young where see they small where they young. You can't marry now for this age where they. You go the cordial girl say may go marry. Now they not talking so see that small girl for Italy where good girl will get bright future ahead of her. He go build to that cycle because of say wait till society go talk. Now my friend don't advise me say ma build you ma persevere with ye. He go better. That man go chop if he go chop you like waity. Probably you don't watch your video. You talk about maybe you don't talk about marriage. The carry skin to it to say okay. Since the grandson they talk about marriage like this, maybe to I just be for tie heart. They don't know the real truth behind the scene. They go chop it. You see that picture I put. I see the picture. So now they get that. See beautiful girl. When you talk about beauty, look at that girl. Now beautiful girl and a small young girl. How many years? 30. 30 wait day. You go die for some my head. Because of say if one be below, if one be again her name so no, I am married. Marrying a beautiful to not get me wrong. But marry your husband. Now that husband will not say respect you man. Your husband they see where they come with social media, I can't do all those things. You know, if you be saying they talk for you, you know, bother my sister, start ask question man because that means say no, you don't go put yourself for tight corner. And they talk for you because of say one really want to say me all this maybe our community may be clean. Now when I enter when I want my video, I want talk say me and this one for positive. I don't get problem with any man. I don't get any personal issue with anybody. I don't come for the social media and I say some person tell me say come. I don't watch people that video. The person will make me mad come for the video. I'll continue to criticize the things them. Now Sheila don't step on so many toes. It don't mash people them. So I decided I go talk about it. I go criticize that work. Now when I say I go analyze the video for 1914, 19 where I bring I can analyze them. See, they put Sheila. I nobody watch it, but the few videos that I watch about it, she's okay. You don't grant Sheila. You don't get sense. Mommy Brie don't can open people's eyes. You don't give them courage. For say if you stand talk. They do a great job, even though they criticize them. If not of them, some people they don't even get that courage for can't stand talk. She don't know insult all now. You ever go, she don't go talk about it. Now, Mommy Brie don't say their own cocoa. You want go stand talk. I know can't insult you. You know if he can't answer for you. Mommy B don't stop all those things. Now we got to analyze and wet them. We got to tell now the truth. One on a like for year or not. Now we got to tell now the truth. Go for society and look around you. See people that inspire you. They said grandson you go to grumble, you talk about a name. See like Congo Sidon boss. They did London, they talk about tea. I don't know that una the reason before una talk. We don't hear all those stories and we'll bring them for the table. Now grandson that would look up to people, they will respect them. Would they look them and say, no, this grandson is doing well. Copy from people the way they be positive, they inspire you. Grandson, you not do where I beg. Now advice what they give you. I be a petty, I not reach you. As you don't call people, they say they poor, they not do so, they not reach other people, they not do so. Me, I know I be petty say, but if I see petty, I be that petty say way, if I see something, I must talk. They not grow me off or keep quiet when I see something, no. I must talk when I see them. If you do something, I go can't analyze. I go can't criticize your thing when you do if you're not correct. Even Mommy Brie, when you do something you're not correct, I go criticize say, Mommy Brie, you not try for this one. I look you like a grandson where best if he respect you. I want to respect you a lot. You not do this. You not do them. When the Mommy Brie say no, the vaccine again, I was so happy. You know. She's so big and beautiful for all this nonsense. We respect her a lot. So my beautiful brothers and sisters, if you are still watching me to this moment, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you doing for? You don't want to be receiving this sweet juice? This juicy juice. Why they bring them? This is Joyce Bunde Talk Show. Go to the subscription button. Click on the subscription button. Click on the notification bell. So whenever Joyce Bundes is on board, you'll be notified. You'll be the very first person to watch. My beautiful fans. For you that have subscribed, share, and like, I appreciate you a lot. May God continue to bless you. 2021, everybody must humble. We must clean all negativity because even Corona itself, not humble so many people. So if you never still receive sense for the Corona time, I don't know when you want to receive say, grand say, now for you this message I pass them. Now for say I advise you. Now wait I don't see and you where the way you don't do them. I don't analyze and I can't tell you the same thing the way you don't do them. I can't tell you say this thing is so I criticize, I analyze. So and for our society, criticism be allowed. But the one where come and insult. I don't talk for you the petit say way you don't see and say you don't do right. Leave Mommy Brie alone. She's too big for that. Now many people they look up to her for this society. She's not being known all over the world where all money look up to her. You should say no. For somebody should know if you tell yourself the truth, you know say no. When you say person pass person, no, make carry it back. Follow who no road because if you follow person no road, you go suffer, it tire. Follow person go teach you, he go inspire you, he go make you know say yes. Grand say I know say no money big for learn. If you continue now for go, if you still continue for go learn, for do something for your life. Rather than coming for social media, they talk thing the way I don't understand when I used to say they talk them. Because the person say they do job, you can't talk them for public. No man way different normal say or talk that kind of thing. Your own grand say can't run it down in their investment. How about grand say now? When I set a good example for us now, where we slow one block one day so talk say no. You see that grand say for that place? I admire you a lot. If they do so, don't do so. And they make Mommy Brie book them. Now why they know for me book when I take and know you. You think the way they do them. And the way she that block about it, I said no, I get for go deep for go know this woman. She's a beautiful soul. He go insult he's in London. Grandson, I don't see them for Facebook and they just see the things them. I say, the grandson, I admire you, I really be inspired. You go to run it down. I don't for Sheila now, so I don't leave Sheila now for you. Now, Depo Sarah, Clara. He go brand, he go show you Pepe. May continue. We go join me for analyze Sheila wet. Tell you same way the way don't tell people. If you want to be among the Sheila them, you don't make we more continue for the analyze now. So my sister, my brothers them, when I continue for the subscribe, like and share. God bless you, one love. Let love blitz. Let peace reign for our society. Ciao, ciao. One love.